Hey guys, this is mjavedva with another tutorial whether how you can create your account on Canva. Well, Canva is an easy to use graphic design platform that allows users to create a wide range of visuals like social media posts, presentations, posters, and much more. It offers drag and drop tools, templates, and customizable elements for all skill levels. So without wasting any time, open your browser and search Canva. Then click on this link. And then click on sign up. Well, you have a bunch of options to sign up right away, but I'm going to use continue with email. Now, write your email. It may be your personal or work email. Then click on continue. Here, write your name and then click on continue. Then it will send you a code to the email you used to sign up. Just grab that from your emails and add it here. Now, it's asking you to choose one, so that it can recommend you designs and templates according to the option you will choose. Well, you can get benefit from Canva Pro right away for 30 days, which will give you options like more designs, premium features, and storage. Well, I'm not using this offer right now, but you sure can if you want. Now, your Canva account has just been created, and you can start designing right away using these options or going to these tabs. Well, while creating the account, you may have observed that it did not ask me to add password. Instead, it sent me a code to sign up, which means it will send me a code every time I want to sign in to my account, which I don't want for now. So to add or reset your password, go to settings under your profile and then click on password reset link under login and security tab. It will sign you out from the platform and will ask you to add your email or phone number so that it can send you a code to add or reset your password. Now grab that code from your emails and add it here. Now add your password and then click on set password. Now, your password has just been added or reset, and you can click on login to sign into your account using your password from now onward. And this is how you can create your account on Canva. And if you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe and sharing your thoughts in the comment section. And I hope this will be helpful for someone out there. And thanks for watching.